Application of parametric and non-parametric. In statistics, the choice between parametric and non-parametric tests depends on the underlying assumption. In statistics, the choice between parametric and non-parametric tests depends on the underlying assumptions of the data and the research question being addressed. Parametric tests assume that the data follow a specific distribution, usually the normal distribution, and are appropriate when those assumptions are met. Non-parametric tests, on the other hand, make fewer assumptions about the data distribution and are more suitable when the data do not meet the assumptions of parametric tests. Here are some guidelines for when to apply parametric and non-parametric tests. 1. Parametric tests. Data is normally distributed or approximately normally distributed. Data has constant variance, homoscedasticity. Parametric tests tend to be more powerful, i.e., have higher statistical power, when the assumptions are met. Example, if you want to compare the mean heights of two groups of individuals, e.g., male and female populations, and the height data is approximately normally distributed, you could use a parametric test like the independent samples t-test. Relevant social science books. 1. Statistical Methods for the Social Sciences, by Alan Agresti and Barbara Finlay. 2. Applied Multivariate Statistical Analysis, by Richard A. Johnson and Dean W. Wichin. 3. Experimental and Quasi-Experimental Designs for Generalized Causal Inference, by William R. Shadish, Thomas D. Cook, and Donald T. Campbell. 1. Non-Parametric Tests. 1. Data is not normally distributed or has outliers. 2. Data has unequal variances, heteroscedasticity. 3. The sample size is small, and the normality assumption cannot be easily checked. 4. Non-parametric tests are generally more robust and do not rely on strict assumptions about the data. Example, if you want to compare the median test scores of two groups of students and the scores do not follow a normal distribution, you could use a non-parametric test like the Munn-Whitney U test, Wilcoxon ranked sum test. Relevant social science articles. 1. Depending on your specific research interest, you can find relevant articles that utilize parametric and non-parametric tests in various social science journals like Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, Journal of Applied Psychology, American Sociological Review, Journal of Educational Psychology, Journal of Political Science, etc. Remember that the choice of statistical test should always be based on the characteristics of your data and the research question you are trying to answer. If you are unsure about which test to use, consulting with a statistician or a research methods expert in your field is always a good idea. Additionally, statistical software like R, SPSS, or SAS can often help determine which tests are appropriate based on the data characteristics.